What's the meaning of betting shop? Betting shop. Betting shop.
Betting shop. Betting shop. A betting shop is a type of retail establishment that specializes in taking bets on various sporting events, races, and other types of competitions. These shops are often found in countries where sports betting is legal and regulated, such as the United Kingdom, Ireland, and Australia. Betting shops typically have large screens displaying live sporting events and odds boards that display the odds for different bets. Customers can place bets on a variety of outcomes, with potential winnings determined by the odds offered. Some betting shops also offer gaming machines and other forms of gambling. However, it is important to note that gambling can be addictive and should always be approached with caution.